welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new. If you're new, it means so much if you click that subscribe button to join my YouTube family. I do post every single week. I am doing a huge Temu haul, which I'm so excited about. So this is gonna be a huge clothing haul. I am currently over 25 weeks pregnant, so I will be trying everything on. Hopefully everything does fit. I just went ahead and ordered up because I just wanted pieces that I can still wear when I'm not pregnant, but will also be great for my growing belly. I've never tried Temu before, and I've been super interested in wanting to get some pieces off of their site, and I'm actually partnering up with them on today's video to share with you a clothing haul, but also my first impressions and kind of like a what I ordered versus what I got video, which I love watching those. If you guys don't know what Temu is, it is just an online marketplace like Amazon, Dollar Tree, with really competitive prices when it comes to a wide selection of things, of course, including fashion, jewelry, accessories, but they also have other categories like home decor, electronics, arts and crafts, toys and games, baby things. There is literally something for everyone, and their prices are unbeatable. I totally recommend checking it out. I will have it down below, as well as I recommend downloading the Temu app. That is so beneficial because if you download the Temu app with my link right now, and then you also sign up, you will get so many more incentives. There's so many more deals. There's also free giveaways. But if you guys also use my code that they did give to me, which is just DKF3539, I will have that, of course, on the screen and down below. This will give you a $100 coupon bundle for free. There is free shipping on all orders for Temu, and they do have a 90-day guarantee return policy. I have to say my shipping came right away. It was super quick, which I was actually really happy about, and I haven't looked at anything, but there was one item I just did a little sneak peek of yesterday because I have been dying to open this and share with you guys it, but I kind of wanted to do more of a first impressions as well with you guys, including that try on. Before I jump right into it, I will pop up a photo of what it looked like on the site, and you will also see the price of each item. Let's just get right into the fun part. Let's get into the try on haul. The first piece I'm gonna start with is the item that I had to do a sneak peek of yesterday because I've been waiting for this. It's so stunning, you guys will see, but it is a pair of shoes, which, by the way, the packaging came really nicely. It comes in these little baggies, which I actually like to keep these, and I actually reuse them for whenever I'm traveling and packing. I put like swimsuits in there, or you could put like once your clothes gets dirty when you're traveling. I love these because it has like the little sliding closure, and they really do come in handy. Enough about the packaging, let's get on to the good stuff. So I did order a pair of shoes. So as you guys will see, these are the pairs I ordered, and it's just women's chunky heels with floral crystals all over it. And this is how it looks. It looks exactly like the photo, and it is absolutely stunning on the feet. I will try it on for you guys. I actually wanted to pick these up because I'm thinking I'm gonna wear this at my baby shower. I am most likely gonna do, I think, more like a floral theme, and I thought this went so beautifully, and I've never seen shoes look so gorgeous. The flowers just look so dainty, and they actually are really comfortable. I love the clear chunky heel, and then it has a stretchy elastic band, and it's in a gold color. The flowers kind of look like gold, rose gold, I would say. And then the rest of the heels all nude, and I can't wait to style these. I did pick up a size 6.5, which is my true size, so these shoes definitely run true to size. Definitely don't need to order up or anything like that or go down. They do have like similar other styles. They have one that's silver, but I just love how the flowers look like they're floating on your foot because it is on top of like this clear section on the front of where your toes are and going up your foot. Stunning. These are my new favorite shoes, and if you've been watching me for a while, you know I love a good pair of shoes. So everything else I have not done a little sneak peek of, and everything else is going to be clothing. And I did get a lot of dresses because I've been just wearing a lot of dresses this summer, being pregnant. It's been really easy, and honestly, I've been wanting to get more into dresses because I never used to really wear them. And I did get a lot of pink dresses because if you guys have been following me, I am having a baby girl, and I'm hoping to wear a pink like dress for my baby shower with those cute floral shoes. So starting first with this one. This is just a long, gorgeous pink dress. It probably will go all the way down for me, and it has a really stretchy top part on the chest area where the back is, and then it kind of like cinches. It has a stretchy waistband too right underneath your chest. It looks very flowy, and then it has the beautiful kind of sleeves. I've been seeing these everywhere where they're a little bit puffed. You could totally wear this up like this or wear it off the shoulder, however you want, but it's very forgiving. It seems very flowy and breathable. I love the little cuff sleeves. It just flares out and it's just gonna cinch on the wrist, but it's definitely very feminine, very girly. It definitely is more of like a baby pink bubble gum color, I would say, but I absolutely think this is gonna be so cute on, and I think it's gonna be really comfortable as well. The next clothing piece I got, I believe, is a two-set piece. I've been loving two-piece sets for the summertime, especially wearing biker shorts. I live in biker shorts, so I had to pick one of theirs up. So I just got this one. It came in so many different colors, which honestly on their website, they just have things in so many different colors. So if something is not really your color, but you like the style, definitely check it out because they'll probably have the color you want. But I decided to get this kind of like coffee mocha brown color. I've been loving the neutrals as well as color, but it's just these brown high-waisted biker shorts. It has the ribbing all down and they're super, super soft. It does have, of course, the stretchy waistband, and then it comes with this matching top, which I believe is a t-shirt. Yes. So it comes with this matching brown top, which is actually very long, which I like. I do like it sometimes to cover my bum. It does have, though, however, slits on the side of the t-shirt, which I think will be really nice, will help with shape and everything like that. But I thought these two together would be really nice because they're super comfortable. You can lounge around with this at home, but you can also go ahead and throw in a cute crossbody purse and wear this when running errands with some flip-flops. A really nice, soft material. I definitely think this is gonna be one of my go-to outfits. Let's move on to another dress. So over here, I went ahead and just picked up another pink, of course, dress, and this one's really gorgeous. It is more of a shorter one. It has the cinching right where the waist is, which I always appreciate now, and it does have more of a V neckline. It's very girly, very dainty, and even the sleeves have that cinching where it's gonna flare, which I've been loving that very feminine, girly, flirty style. It also does have ruffling at the bottom. When I did order this, I did get the color red, but when I looked at photos, it did look more pink, which it's definitely pink, so just be aware of that if you do want red. But personally, I did like the color when I saw it online. It looked pink to me, and that's the color that I was going for. I am very short. I'm petite. I'm 5'2", so it's gonna be a little bit longer on me if you are a little bit taller, so keep that in mind. But it seems very lightweight and breathable for especially the summertime. This is just a cute summer dress to wear with a pair of cute sandals, or you can even dress it up with some heels. I was so excited for this next piece. So this piece is a sweater. And since I'm about to be a new mama, I thought this was really fitting. It's just this half zip up. I did get this in a size medium, which I probably could have got a large as well, but that's okay. It is definitely more lightweight than I thought. I thought it was gonna be kind of more of a thicker sweater, which works honestly. Now that it is warmer weather, I'm more likely to wear this than if it was super thick, so I kind of like that about it, because sometimes at nights it does get chilly in the summertime still, depends, like especially later on in the summertime. So I'm definitely gonna be rocking this and lounging around in this, but I thought this was so cute even after I'm pregnant to just wear this, because this is like stuff I live in. I love a good half zip sweater with some leggings, of course, or some yoga pants. That is just my typical casual outfit. I had to pick this up. I thought it was so cute, and I love the gray. It's a very light heather gray. So the next piece, I went ahead and I picked up a one-piece jumpsuit. I'm hoping this will work. It seems a little bit more thin, especially because I am pregnant. It might be a little see-through if it's stretched out too much, but I'll definitely wear this even after. I've been seeing everyone and their mother wear this, where basically it's just like a typical jumpsuit with shorts, and then this one has these spaghetti straps. These leotards are just so convenient, and they're very like lightweight and easy to wear in the summertime. And it did come with this matching like t-shirt that you wear on top. It's not really like a full-blown t-shirt, it's like a very cropped thing. It's just more for the look, and it's super stretchy. It's like more of like an athletic material. I did get this in more of like a cream color, but they do have all different colors of this if you want kind of like a pop of color. But I'll definitely wear it together, I'm sure. But I definitely see myself wearing this even on its own, and just wearing this with a button-down little shirt. I have 2 more pieces left, and I believe these are the last 2 dresses that I chose. So I'm gonna start first with the cream one, and then we'll move on to the last pink dress that I chose. So it is in a light cream color. They did have this in other colors, and I'm hoping this won't be too see-through. If not, I'll probably end up wearing shorts anyways underneath, because I've been wearing biker shorts underneath my dresses. But it's just this t-shirt dress. It's super loose and flowy, and it has the v-neck, deep v-neck, has the little cuffed t-shirt sleeves. And I just think this is gonna look really cute with some sandals. This would actually look really nice with those floral heeled sandals that I shared with you guys. But you could totally wear this with anything because it is so neutral. It's gonna match with anything, and you can definitely style it up with different accessories and different color purses to give it kind of like a pop of color. I'm hoping we can make this work and it's not too see-through. There isn't an underlayer, just so you're aware. So that is why I do think it's gonna be a little more see-through, but you can put your own slip underneath, which I definitely need to get one of those because I don't have any right now. But we'll try and see if I can make this work. But it just seems like super lightweight. It's very forgiving, and I feel like it's gonna be really nice on. And it's not too long as well. It's not like a full length dress or anything like that. It's like the perfect length. The last item is just this magenta pink dress. It is more shorter. It kind of is also like the baby doll dress. It's very similar actually to this cream dress. They're just very different textures and have a little bit of a different style to it. Like this one has the baby doll ruffle at the bottom there, and then but it also does have the cuff sleeves, and it does have a V neckline. So very similar but different at the same time. They are not the same dress. This one also doesn't have an underlayer, so if you guys are worried and want an underlayer, there isn't one. It's very flowy, very girly and feminine once again, and it's that bright magenta pink. Ever since I found out I'm having a girl and I'm pregnant, I've been so into pink again. I used to love pink growing up, like wearing a bunch of clothes, but I started wearing a lot more neutrals, so I'm kind of happy that I'm adding more pops of color back into my wardrobe, because everything was getting really bland with the grays, the browns, and like the taupe colors. So I kind of have been experimenting and trying different colors on during the summer, and I am not complaining. So apparently my haul isn't done. I'm popping back on here, so if things changed, I thought I was done the haul, but I realized that I forgot to unbox 2 of these dresses. Tell me how I missed these. I have no idea. I realized they were still in the packaging. So I am not done yet. We have 2 more dresses, and of course, we have some more pink dresses. Clearly pink is just a theme for me. I've been loving the pink dresses, and I've been wanting to try literally all of them off Temu. So this one is super adorable. I love this one because it's more of like a midi length. I actually just went ahead and tried this on, as you guys will see on the try on, and I love it. I've been trying on all the dresses currently while I'm filming this, and I've been loving everything. This one's a really nice pink because it's very like a muted darker pink, but it also kind of looks a little bit red. feel like it looks a little more red on camera, and it just has white little flowers everywhere. It has the V-neck, and then it has this elastic cinching right under the chest, which I love. And I just think this is very girly and feminine, and it, like I said, it does go to more of a mid-length, which I think is super flattering. Overall, this dress is just so comfortable on. It's so breathable. It's not see-through at all, and it just looks amazing, and I feel really confident in it. And this last one, which I'm really excited about, it is back to that like kind of magenta pink, and it does have this stretchy chest area and back area, which is very forgiving, which I love. And then it just goes all the way down, probably on me because like I said, I am short, and it ruffles all the way down. And I love the little straps. They're frilly and very girly, and all these dresses are just so dainty, so feminine, and will be great for the summertime. I already know this is gonna be super comfortable. Like I said, I am pregnant, which they do have a maternity line on Temu as well. But what I've been doing honestly is just sizing up. So I typically get a small, but I got everything in a size medium, and everything seems to fit. So I really like that. And like I said, when I'm not pregnant, these are definitely outfits I still wanna wear. Excited to see which one is gonna be my baby shower option. We will see what dress and style I end up going with. These are actually the last two pieces now. But that is my entire clothing haul, and I have to say I absolutely love everything, especially for the price that you're paying and the quality that you're getting. It's really, really great. You literally could spend hours just scrolling on their app or their website looking through everything because they have so much. They have something for everyone. But like I said, make sure you guys check out my description box. I'll have all the links and everything down below, as well as don't forget to download the app and use my coupon code DKF3539. That is just gonna give you a $100 coupon bundle for free. So you're just gonna get more deals if you go through the app, and there's even giveaways. They just give you so many special deals constantly, which is amazing because everything is just so affordable already. And if you get even more coupons and deals, it's even better. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want more, thumbs it up. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. I do post every single week, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.